What's up guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this week's video we're in Upper Ajijic checking out today my new listing here. It's a 4-bedroom house. We are about 5 blocks away from the Plaza. We're 1 block away from the mountains here in Upper Ajijic. It's a great location if you want to be walking distance to everything. You actually have space for 1 vehicle off street as well. This house has been renovated recently, new bathrooms, new windows, you name it guys. The house looks fantastic. Super excited today to show you my new listing. Let's go and check it out together. So here in Upper Ajijic, it's a great neighborhood, very relaxing part of town, and you're walking distance to everything you can imagine, restaurants, shops, cafes, you name it guys, it's all close by. Just talking about the facade of the property, as you can see here, we have a private gate to come in for 1 vehicle that fits just under the carport here. As we walk in, this is an off-street property, so you're not part of any gated community or anything like that, just so you know. Under this is where we've got space for 1 vehicle, and you've got space to put your electric bikes too. It's a nice property. It sits on a lot size of about 200 square meters, and the construction comes out at 264 square meters. I like the front of the property. It's very low maintenance, but they've done a very nice job. You've got lovely bougainvilleas here, and I like all of the plants here. Some nice decorative pots here to my right-hand side too. 1 step in to come into the first level of the property. This property has been renovated, but they've still kept some very Mexican, traditional Mexican style when it comes to the floor tiles and the kitchen, but everything else has been completely renovated and it is immaculate. As we walk in, we're greeted with this really ample living room space here, and what a lovely place that is just to come and relax. And just to mention that all of the rooms are topped off with this really lovely Boveda ceiling. This is a great size space for a living room, very ample, plenty of spaces, plenty of seats to come and sit down, watch a bit of TV, read a book, really comfortable. This room feels really large as well. When you sat down here and just kind of looking around, it feels really airy in here. And I think they've done wonders with the space. And then it comes around to the dining room. So it's all kind of 1 big room. And then that feeds on nicely to the traditional kitchen with that really lovely Mexican tile. Coming into the dining room space here, you have this 8-seater round table, and it fits really amply in this room. I love all the built-ins here. This feels like a built-in, it probably is. By the way, the house is coming, it's almost a turnkey property. It's coming with a full list of inventory as well in the listing price. But this works really well. I like that. It really fits into that segment of the wall really nicely. Walking into this good sized kitchen, I like what they've done. They've actually kept with the traditional Mexican design here with the tiling. They've reconditioned the cabinetry, that's nice, and they've put the backsplash here with these Mexican contemporary tiles, and I think it all flows really nicely. And obviously you've got the traditional Mexican floor as well. So really, I mean, you could upgrade this kitchen, you could make it more modern, but I kind of like it the way it is. It's really quite pleasant. You've got all your appliances, and I think it just really works well. This window goes out to the front of the property where you can see the garden and where the carport is. What I like about this room as well, it runs off nicely to this outside patio that's like semi-covered, very peaceful. I mean, it's a really nice place. It is actually, the position is south and west, so you do get some nice afternoon sun here, which is really nice. And there's a bit of shade too. And the garden kind of wraps around to the first bedroom downstairs. You do have 1 bedroom downstairs with a full bathroom. In here, this is what they're using as a type of office space at the moment. It would fit a queen bed here quite well, or you could actually use it as an office. It's really quite nice. There are some built-ins here to my left-hand side, and what I like about this room, actually, you can come out into the west-facing patio. I think they've done a lovely job with the garden here. It's minimal and it just works beautifully. And as we come out to this little patio area, this is where we find the laundry area tucked away at the back of the property, which is very handy. Bit of storage space in there too. Coming back in, we're here in Upper Ajijic, but once you're in the house, it feels so peaceful and quiet. This is where we find the main bathroom downstairs, which services all of downstairs and the bedroom. It's a full bathroom. It's been completely renovated. Lovely contemporary tile work all around. And it's the one sink vanity with the walk-in shower. This door closes and makes the bedroom a little bit more quiet, giving a bit more privacy for your guests downstairs. I'm going to take you upstairs to check out the other 3 bedrooms. So here upstairs, you've got a more informal, casual living room space in between the bedrooms, which is really nice to come and sit down here. It's another place, it's another cool space to come and sit in. Here above my head, we have a Boveda ceiling with a little cupola in the middle, bringing this natural light into this area, which is really quite nice. So this room also comes out to yet another patio area where you can take in views of the village of Lake Chapala. This must be lovely at night time. So coming back in, let me show you the principal bedroom upstairs. So this is a nice sized room. You've got a king size bed here to my left, couch here, so you can see how spacious this room is. I love these wooden shutters throughout the property. I think that's a lovely touch. And I don't see it in many properties, but coming down into, we have a little closet space behind me here, so some built-ins. And then coming into a good size ensuite bathroom. This has been completely renovated as well, similar to the one downstairs with a similar contemporary tile work throughout. We've got a one sink vanity and a walk-in shower. On the other side of the casual living space here upstairs, you come through this door here, and this is where we find the other 2 bedrooms. Both are real ample sized rooms. This one having yet another king size bed. This room is actually facing the front of the house, so the main street. You've got some built-ins here too. What I like about this room as well, you actually got a covered patio area outside as well, which is really quite cute to come and sit here as well. It's kind of like a nice addition to this room. In between the 2 bedrooms, we have yet another full bathroom, and I like this bathroom because it actually has a large soaking tub here. And you've got your walk-in shower, one sink vanity. Coming into the 4th bedroom of the property, you can see they're all similar sizes. This one has 2 standard beds, so they fit quite amply in here too. And you've also got the outside covered patio space as well. I hope you've enjoyed the tour today of my new listing here in Upper Ajijic. As per usual, check out in the description of the video all the information. If you'd like to book a tour, see my listing here, feel free to reach out. My email is here on the screen. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, hit that notification, give the video a thumbs up, guys. We are uploading weekly videos all about the real estate market here on Lake Chapala and helping people buy and sell real estate. So, hey, it'll be my pleasure to take you on a tour. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one, guys. Saying that, thank you all very much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.